Every minute, factories turn tons of potatoes into frozen fries. But how does it really happen? It all begins on potato farms. Machines harvest thousands of kilos in hours. Only the best potatoes move forward. Fresh harvest heads straight to the factory. From fields to food factories. This is where fries are born.
Tons of potatoes arrive every hour.
First, dirt and debris are removed. Potatoes are washed thoroughly.
Now they're ready for cutting.
Size matters for perfect fries. Nothing substandard goes through. Peels are stripped in seconds. Steam makes peeling faster and cleaner. A second wash ensures purity. This is the most satisfying step.
Uniform fries cook evenly.
Starch removal improves texture. Every potato is cut to exact dimensions, ensuring uniform fries in every batch. Only perfectly shaped fries move forward. Nothing is wasted. Rinsing removes excess starch for better texture. Now the fries prepare for their first heat treatment. Blanching stabilizes color and texture before freezing.
This step partially cooks the fries without frying.
Rapid cooling stops cooking instantly. Drying ensures even frying later. A brief oil fry seals the outer layer.
This creates the signature crisp potential.
Excess oil is removed and recycled. Seasoning is applied evenly, fry by fry. Seasoning is applied evenly, fry by fry. Only premium fries reach freezing.
Freezing locks in freshness and structure.
Each fry freezes individually.
Now the fries are shelf stable.
Every bag gets the exact weight.
Packaging happens in seconds. Each bag is sealed and traceable.
From factory to freezer, the journey continues.
Before freezing, every fry is inspected for perfect color and consistency.
Excess oil is removed to achieve the ideal fry texture. Cooling stabilizes the fries before deep freezing. Quick freezing locks in freshness and structure. Each fry is frozen individually for maximum quality. Precision systems guarantee accurate portioning. Packaging begins at high speed. Frozen fries are filled without losing shape. Sealing protects fries during long storage.
Every bag can be traced back to its batch.
Metal detection ensures food safety. Only perfect packs move forward. Cartons prepare fries for bulk shipping. Strong cartons protect frozen products. Robots prepare pallets for cold storage. Frozen storage preserves fries for months. Frozen storage preserves fries for months. Cold chain transport keeps fries frozen. Fries travel worldwide from this factory.
From frozen to crispy perfection.
Subscribe for more factory documentaries.